Okay, hi everybody. I am working on applying some caulking to the edge of my slide out right here. Usually this is a place where some caulking is missed, and if it's not caulked right, it tends to seep in there. This is a slide out. This is the trim on the slide out. And it seeps in there, it seeps into the base of the slide out, and it could cause some damage. So I decided that I was going to put some caulking. I always use SikaFlex 1A. That is not only in my opinion, but in the opinions of experts who do this for a living. It is one of the best caulking out there. So what you want to do is you want to prepare the surface. You want to get some cleaner and clean the edge really good so there's good adherence of the caulking. You want to tape for neatness of the caulking, because we all know, those of us that use the caulking gun quite often and caulk a lot of things in our households, i.e. me, it gets really messy if you are not careful. And so what I did is I'm taping an area that will just leave the area that I want to caulk exposed. So if any caulking lands on the tape, all I have to do is remove the tape and we're done. As you can see, the caulking that was put on, it just went over the designated area. And a lot of you are saying, well, why don't you remove the old caulking before applying the new caulking? Well, this is a new caulking. This is a fairly new unit. I cleaned it very well. There is such a thin coat on here that it doesn't make a difference for me to apply, to remove it and then apply a new caulking. I would cause more damage removing it than not. And right here, I don't know if you could tell, but it's there's an opening, there's a gap right here, so I have to be really careful, and that's why I decided to caulk. I'm running my finger along the edge to make sure that it adheres, so no caulking slips underneath the tape. So let me finish this off, and I'm going to be using gray SikaFlex 1A. I got it at Amazon. I bought it at Amazon, and I will put the link to that below the video so you guys can take a look-see. I've also purchased white, and I've also purchased black, and I use it where the colors call for it. So this one, it's mostly gray, so I'm going to use gray, and it's going to look really good. So let me finish taping it up, and then I'll show you how I do it, and we'll finish it off. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, here it is. It's all taped up. The areas that I'm going to be caulking in gray SikaFlex 1A. And the thin little line in the middle is going to be the caulk, and it's going to be pretty, and it's going to be neat, and it's going to be well applied. All this work, this prep work, is worth it to get a nice, clean, even caulk line. Okay, so let me get going. I'll be back. Okay, so here we are with SikaFlex 1A. That's what it looks like. I think this is gray. I know I ordered gray, not sure why it says white. I'm going to open it up. If anything, I'll just use the black one. And this is black. So, and here's my caulking gun. Most caulking guns come with a tube puncture right here. You just pull it out and puncture your tube. And most caulking guns come with a way that you can cut the tip off. But I'm going to use my knife, because I can easily make an angle cut rather than a straight cut. That one I can't seem to get an angle cut with that, so I'm going to use this. Now, the other thing that you want to use is gloves. You don't want to have this all over your hands. I tell you, this is a good product. It has high quality adhesive. It will stick to your hands for weeks. I know, I learned the hard way. So I got my gloves, I'm gonna put them on, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, signing off for now. Okay, everybody, excuse me. I took the tape off, and I know you see some gray on here. That was not me. That was the previous caulking that they had on there. But mine matches the black. I know I said I was going to put gray on there, but I think Amazon sold me white, because the tube that was supposed to be gray was white. So I went ahead and just put black caulking, since I had it already taped up and everything. It doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good. This one I'm gonna take all the way up when I get a chance. It just looks so stark on white, but you know what? It's all about protecting the slide so it doesn't get damaged. The seeping of the water in the slide. So this part was open. There was a gap, and I closed it up. And again, that stuff that you see on there, that was not me. Because I do really neat work. As you saw, I taped it, I caulked it. SikaFlex will never have to be redone again. It's on there for the life of the RV, and that's why I use it. So all is good with the world, guys. All is good with the world. So oops, sorry, didn't know it was not focused. So I'm gonna be signing off for now. Have a good weekend. Mine actually starts tomorrow. I'm heading for the Keys. Yay! I'm so excited. This will be the first time that we head off to the Keys in the Class C, the Super C. And it's going to be interesting because we all know that the Keys the roads are very narrow, and only because it's very limited in the amount of I guess area that they have to be able to accommodate cars, let alone a big humongous Class C. Not only that, but if anybody's ever been to the Keys, it's a place where scooters are abound, and there are bicycles and electric bikes and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have fun. We're taking our scooter, and we're gonna use it, and you'll be seeing videos on that. I just love this shine. I keep seeing the reflection of the neighbor's tree and our bushes on this side. So wow, it's amazing. Look at that blue sky, and this is just shining off the side of the RV. Wow. Okay guys, signing off. Thank you for viewing. Follow me and my many adventures coming soon, and hit the like button and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.